हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका लॉ के इस सेशन में। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, मध्य प्रदेश हाई कोर्ट ने अभी हाल ही में सिविल जज क्लास 2 के लिए 140 पोस्ट निकाली हैं, जिसका एग्ज़ाम 29 सितंबर को होना है। दोस्तों, हम आज के इस वीडियो में मध्य प्रदेश सिविल जज क्लास 2 के 2015 के क्वेश्चन पेपर को पूरा सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। डेफिनेटली आपके लिए बहुत फ़ायदेमंद होगा। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं हम अपना ये सेशन। दोस्तों, आइए हम देखते हैं अपना आज का पहला प्रश्न। हमारा पहला प्रश्न आ रहा है संविधान के सेक्शन से। पहला प्रश्न है, द एप्रोप्रिएट रिट इशूड बाय द कोर्ट टू क्वैश द अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ अ पर्सन टू अ पब्लिक ऑफिसर इज दैट ऑफ। Your options are A. Prohibition, B. Quo warranto, C. Certiorari, and D. Mandamus. So friends, right answer of this question is B. Quo warranto. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2. Where a law is made by a state legislature on the subject enumerated in the concurrent list with the assent of the president, the repugnant to the earlier law made by parliament, then the law so made by the state. Your options are A. Shall prevail in the state, B. Shall not prevail in the state, C. Shall prevail with the permission of the Supreme Court, and D. Shall prevail with the permission of High Court. So friends, right answer of this question is A. Let's see our next question. Question number 3. According to the Constitution of India, the term district judge shall not include. Your options are Chief Presidency Magistrate, Session Judge, Chief Judicial Magistrate, and D. Chief Judge of Small Cause Court. And the right answer of this question is C. Chief Judicial Magistrate. Question number 4. Which right is a constitutional right but not a fundamental right? Your options are A. Right to life and personal liberty, B. Right to move freely throughout the territory of India, C. Right to form association, and D. Right to hold property. The right answer of this question is D. Right to hold property. Now let's see question number 5. The equality of opportunity in matter of public employment. Options are A. Is available to all citizens of India, B. Is available to all residents of India, C. Is available to all persons of Indian origin, irrespective of their citizenship, and D. Is not provided in the Constitution to anyone. The correct answer of this question is A. Is available to all citizens of India. Question number 6, coming from the CPC. In connection with a suit by an indigent person, the suit is deemed to be instituted on the date. Options are A. When the application for leave to sue as a pauper is made, B. When such application is admitted, C. When such application is rejected, D. When the issues are framed. The correct answer is A. When the application for leave to sue as a pauper is made. Question number 7. Whether the pendency of a suit in a foreign court will preclude the court in India from trying a suit founded on the same cause of action. Your options are A. Yes, B. No, C. It will depend on the nature of the suit, and D. Finding will be based on valuation of the suit. The correct answer of this question is B. No. Question number 8. The provision of res judicata also apply to the execution proceedings of a decree. Options A. Yes, B. No, C. Only applies to the suit, D. Not apply if objection raised by judgment debtor. The right answer is A. Yes. Question number 9. In the case of public nuisance, a suit for declaration and injunction may be instituted by. Your options are A. Two persons with the leave of court. B. Two persons having obtained oral consent of the Advocate General. C. Two persons having obtained the written consent of the Advocate General. And D. Two persons without the leave of the court. The right answer of the question is A. Two persons with the leave of the court. Question number 10. Where the appellant has withdrawn the appeal preferred against a decree passed ex parte, the application under Order 9, Rule 13 of CPC shall be A. rejected, B. returned, C. maintainable, D. referred for opinion to the appellate court. The right answer is C. maintainable. Now question number 11. Whether a minor on attaining majority may, if a sole plaintiff apply that a suit instituted in his name by next friend be dismissed on the ground that it was unreasonable or improper. Your options are A. no, B. with the consent of the next friend, C. yes, D. joint applications will lie with next friend. The correct answer is C. yes. Now the question number 12. Whether the decree is for the partition of an undivided estate accessed to the payment of revenue to the government, the partition of revenue to the government, the partition of the state in accordance with the law for the time being in force shall be made by. Options are A. Patwari, B. Nazir, C. Collector, and D. Commissioner appointed by the court. The correct answer of this question is C. the Collector. Question number 13. No order for detention of the judgment debtor in civil prison in execution of a decree for the payment of money shall be made where the total amount of the decree does not exceed. Your options are A. 500 rupees, B. 100 rupees, C. 2000 rupees, and D. 5000 rupees. Correct answer of this question is C. 2000 rupees. The question number 14. Pleading means. Your options are A. plaint or rejoinder, B. plaint or written statement, C. plaint or statement or rejoinder, D. plaint alone. The correct answer of this question is B. plaint or written statement. This one is the correct, plaint or written statement. Question number 15. Order rejecting plaint under Order 7, Rule 11 of CPC. Options are is a decree, B is an order, C is a deemed decree, and D is an interim order. The correct answer is A is a decree. This one is a decree is the right answer. Now let's move to the question number 16. Now the questions are coming from the Transfer of Property Act. Provision of the Section 53A of the Transfer of Property Act 1882. The right of the following transferee for consideration shall not be affected. Your options are A. who is a gratuitous transferee, B. who has notice of the contract, C. who has no notice of contract, and D. whether he has notice of contract or no notice of contract. So the correct answer is D. who has notice or no notice of contract. Now let's move to question number 17. A lets a farm to B on condition that he shall walk 100 miles in an hour. Your options are A. Lease is void. B. Lease can be executed if B walk 100 miles in an hour. C. Lease can be executed. And D. Conditional transfer can be made. The correct answer is A. Lease is void. Question number 18. If the tenancy of an immovable property is monthly, then in order to terminate the lease of it, a notice of which period shall be given? Your answers are A. 1 month, B. 2 months, C. 6 months, and D. 15 days. The correct answer is D. 15 days. Now the question number 19. Section 9 of the TP Act provides that options are A. Transfer can only be done through a transfer deed. B. Transfer can be oral or without writing also. C. Transfer can only be done through a registered deed. And D. Transfer can be done only by writing. So friends, the correct answer of this question is B. Transfer can be done oral without writing also. Now the question number 20. Under the TP Act, if the donor dies before acceptance of the gift by donee, your options are A. Gift is valid. B. Gift is void. C. Gift is voidable. And D. None of these. So the correct answer is B. Gift is void. Now the Indian Contract Act, question number 21. Under Indian Contract Act, an agreement which is enforceable by law at the option of one or more of the parties thereto, but not at the option of the other or others, is. Options are A. An illegal agreement, B. A void agreement, C. A valid agreement, and D. A voidable contract. Your correct answer is D. A voidable contract. Now question number 22. If the time of performance of the contract is the essence of the contract and the promisor fails to perform the contract by the specified time, your options are A. The contract becomes unenforceable. B. The contract becomes void. C. The contract remains valid and enforceable. And D. The contract becomes voidable at the option of promisee. The correct answer is D. The contract becomes voidable at the option of promisee. Question number 23. Under Contract Act, an agreement to remain unmarried is valid, voidable, void, and D. Unenforceable. The correct answer is C. Void. Question 24. A hires a carriage of B. The carriage is unsafe, though B is not aware of it. A is injured. Your options are B is not responsible to A for injury, B is responsible to A for the injury, C. Both are contributory negligent, C. A himself is responsible. The right answer is B. B is responsible to A for the injury. Question number 25. A proposal, when accepted, becomes A. Promise, B. Agreement, C. Contract, and D. Acceptance. The correct answer is A. Promise. Now the questions from Specific Relief Act. Question number 26. Under the Specific Relief Act, a suit of recovery for possession can be filed. Your options are A. Only in respect of movable property, B. Only in respect of immovable property, C. In respect of both movable and immovable property, D. Neither movable nor immovable property. The correct answer is C. In the respect of both movable and immovable property. Question number 27. Under section 6 of Specific Relief Act, suit by a person disposed of immovable property shall not be brought. Options are A. After the expiry of 1 year from the date of disposition. B. After the expiry of 6 months from the date of disposition. C. After the expiry of 3 months from the date of disposition. And D. After the expiry of 6 weeks from the date of disposition. Correct answer is B. The time period is 6 months. Now let's move to the question number 28. An injunction granted during the pendency of a suit under section 37 of SR Act is known as A. Permanent injunction, B. Mandatory injunction, C. Temporary injunction, and D. Perpetual injunction. The correct answer of this question is temporary injunction, C. Question number 29. An order or decree under section 6 of the Specific Relief Act is. Options are A. Appealable, B. Reviewable, C. Neither appealable nor reviewable, D. Both appealable and reviewable. The correct answer of this question is C. Neither appealable nor reviewable. Now the questions from the Limitation Act. Question number 30. Under the Limitation Act, the period of limitation for suit by a landlord to recover possession from a tenant after determination of tenancy is 30 year, 2 year, 3 year or 12 year. The correct answer is D. 12 year. Question number 31. Any suit for which no period of limitation is provided elsewhere in the schedule of the Act, the limitation would be, your options are A. 1 year, B. 3 year, C. 3 months, and D. 12 year. The correct answer is B. 3 year. Now the question number 32. Under the Limitation Act, period of limitation for setting aside an ex parte decree is 1 month, B. 30 days, C. 60 days, and D. 90 days. The correct answer is B. 30 days. Now the question from MP Accommodation Control Act 1961. The question number 33. Under the MP Accommodation Control Act, essential supply enjoyed by a tenant in respect of the accommodation let him is cut off by the landlord, who will make an order to restore such supply. Your options are A. Collector, B. Civil Court, C. Rent Controlling Authority, D. Municipal Corporation or Municipality, as the case may be. The correct answer is C. Rent Controlling Authority. Now the question number 34. Under MP Accommodation Control Act, an appeal shall lie against the order passed by Rent Controlling Authority to the A. High Court, B. District Judge, C. Collector, D. State Government. The correct answer is B. District Judge. Now the question number 35. Under MP Accommodation Control Act, the landlord gets entitled to get the house vacated from the tenant if he did not use it continuously for, options are A. 12 months, B. 3 months, C. 6 months, and D. 9 months. The correct answer is C. 6 months. Question number 36. Where a landlord has acquired any accommodation by transfer, he cannot bring a suit for eviction on the ground specified in clause E or F subsection 1 of section 12 of MP Accommodation Control Act until options are A 1 year has not elapsed, B 6 months has not elapsed, C 3 months has not elapsed, D 2 months has not elapsed. The correct answer is A 1 year has not elapsed. Question number 37. The provision of Chapter 2 of MP Accommodation Act will not be applicable to newly constructed house for a period of options are A 5 year, B 7 year, C 3 year and D 1 year. The correct answer is A 5 year. Now question number 38, which is coming from the MPLRC 1959. The question number 38. Where a dispute arises between a state government and a person with regard to the subject mentioned in section 57 of MPLRC from the date 30/12/2000 enabled, it shall be decided by A. State government, B. Tehsildar, C. as subdivisional officer and D. collector. The right answer is A. State government. Now the question number 39. Under MP Land Revenue Code, who will decide the dispute relating to demarcation and maintenance of boundary line? Your options are A. Tehsildar, B. Subdivisional officer, C. collector, D. commissioner. The right answer is C. collector. Now let's move to the question number 40. Question number 40 says, under MP Land Revenue Code, Bhumi Swami cannot lease any land comprised in his holding for than 1 year. For more than 1 year, your options are A. during any consecutive period of 5 years, B. during any consecutive period of 3 years, C. during any consecutive period of 2 years, D. during any consecutive period of 4 years. So correct answer is B. during any consecutive period of 3 years. Question number 41. Under MPLRC, Wajib ul Arz of a village is maintained by the A. Tehsildar, B. Kotbar, C. Subdivisional officer and D. Patwari. The correct answer is C. Subdivisional officer. Now the question number 42. Under section 11 of MPLRC, who is not a revenue officer? Your options are settlement officer, B. revenue inspector, C. assistant superintendent land record and D. nab tehsildar. The correct answer is B. revenue inspector. Now the questions from Indian Evidence Act. Question number 43. Under Indian Evidence Act 1872, the provision of relevancy of oral admission as to content of electronic record is provided under options are A. Section 22 of Indian Evidence Act, Section 22A of Indian Evidence Act, Section 23 of Indian Evidence Act, Section 23A of Indian Evidence Act. The correct answer is B. Section 22A of Indian Evidence Act. Question number 44. Under Evidence Act, which one of the following is not essential condition for admissibility of dying declaration? Options are A. the statement as to any of the circumstances of the transaction which resulted in his death. B. person making a statement must be under expectation of death at the time of making such a statement. B. death of the person making dying declaration is must. And D. a statement must be to the cause of his death. The correct answer is B. The person making this statement must be under expectation of the death at the time making of statement. Now the question number 45. Section 159 of the Evidence Act provides for, your options are A. Credit of a witness may be impeached. B. Court's power to disallow indecent or scandalous question. C. Witness can refresh his memory. And D. To put any question which might be put in cross-examination by party of his own witness. The correct answer of this question is C. Witness can refresh his memory. Now the question number 46. A is tried for the murder of B by poison. The fact that before the death of B, A produced poison similar to that which was administered to B is not relevant. B. Relevant. C. Partly relevant. D. Neither relevant nor irrelevant. The correct answer of the question is B. Relevant. Now let's move to the next question, question number 47. Expectation to admissibility of hearsay evidence is. Options are A. Section 62 Evidence Act, Section 32 Evidence Act, Section 21 Evidence Act, and D. Section 72 Evidence Act. The correct answer is B. Section 32 Evidence Act. Question number 48. Under Section 27 of the Evidence Act, fact discovered means. Options are the object produced only. B. The place from where object is produced only. C. The knowledge of the accused as to the object and place. And D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Knowledge of the accused as to the object and place. Now the question number 49. Under the Evidence Act, motive becomes more relevant in a case based on A. Direct evidence, B. Circumstantial evidence, D. Documentary evidence, C. Documentary evidence, and D. Without any evidence. The correct answer is B. Circumstantial evidence. Now the question number 50. Under Indian Evidence Act 1872, evidence of hostile witness A. cannot be taken into consideration for any purpose. B. It cannot be relied on by the prosecution. C. It can be relied only by the defense. D. It can be relied on by the prosecution as well as the defense. The correct answer is D. Now the question number 51. Under Evidence Act, the rule of res gestae is applicable in. Options are A. Civil case only, B. Criminal case only, C. Civil case as well as criminal case, and D. Not applicable in any case. The correct answer is civil as well as criminal cases. The question number 52 is, in prosecution for an offense under section 376 IPC, where the question of consent is an issue, it shall not be permissible to adduce evidence or to put question in the cross-examination of the victim as to the general immoral character or previous sexual experience of such victim with any person for proving such consent, or the quality of the consent is provided in which section of the Indian Evidence Act. Your options are 145, 146, 147 and 148. The correct answer is B. Section 146. Now the questions coming from the Indian Penal Code. Question number 53 is: A puts his hand in the pocket of B for stealing money, but he found nothing in B's pocket as it was empty. A has committed the offense of A. Mischief, B. Attempt to commit theft, C. Theft, D. None of these. The correct answer is attempt to commit theft. Now the question number 54. Under the Indian Penal Code 1860, which ingredient is not necessary to constitute an offense of abetment? Your options are: number 1, A. Conspiracy, B. Intentional aid, C. Instigation, and D. Act abetted should be committed. The correct answer of this question is D. Act abetted should be committed. Now the question number 55. Two persons A and B fight with each other. A was having a blade with which A inflicts injury on the face of B, having permanent scar on the face of B. A is guilty of the offense of causing A. grievous hurt by sharp cutting object, B. grievous hurt by rash or negligent act, C. simple hurt by sharp cutting object, D. simple hurt by rash or negligent act. So friends, the right answer is A. grievous hurt by sharp and cutting object. Now the question number 56. In which of the section of IPC stalking of a woman by any man is punishable? Your options are 354A, 354B, 354D, and 354E. So the correct answer of this question is definitely all we know, that is section 354D. It means C. Now let's move to the question number 57. X finds a government promissory note belonging to C, bearing a blank endorsement. X, knowing that the note belongs to C, pledge it with a banker as a security for loan, intending to restore it to C within a week. X, your options are: A. is not guilty of any offense, B. is guilty of criminal breach of trust, C. is guilty of cheating, and D. is guilty of criminal misappropriation. So friends, correct answer is D. criminal misappropriation. Now the question number 58. A finds the key to Y's house door, which Y had lost, and commits house trespass by entering Y's house having opened the door with the key. What offense A has committed? A. lurking house trespass, B. criminal misappropriation, C. attempt to commit theft, D. house breaking. So friends, right answer is the D. house breaking. Question number 59. A prepares a mark sheet with an intention to get a job. Thereby he committed the offense of A. mischief, B. cheating, C. forgery, D. misrepresentation. So friends, correct answer is C. forgery. He has committed forgery. Question number 60. Nothing is an offense which is done by a child who is under 9 years of age, under 7 years of age, C. under 12 years of age, and D. under 16 years of age. The correct answer is B. under 7 years of age. Now the question number 61. Under IPC, what must be the age of a minor with regard to the offense of kidnapping from lawful guardianship? Your options are A. Under 16 years of age male or under 18 years age of female. B. Under 18 year of age for male and under 21 year of age female. C. Under 20 year age of male or under 21 year age of female. D. Under 18 year of age male or under 16 year of age female. The correct answer of this question is A. Under 16 year of age male and under 18 year age of female. Question number 62. Under IPC, if the offense is punishable with fine only and accused had been awarded with 50 rupees fine, the period of imprisonment in default shall A. Not exceeding 1 month, B. Not exceeding 2 months, C. Not exceeding 3 months, and D. Not exceeding 4 months. So the right answer of this question is B. Not exceeding 2 months. Question number 63. Under CRPC, if a person is arrested by police officer without warrant, whether such person has been admitted to bail or otherwise, the officer in charge of police station shall report to A. District magistrate only, B. Sub-divisional magistrate only, C. District magistrate or if he so directs to the sub-divisional magistrate, and D. The judicial magistrate having jurisdiction. So the answer is C. The district magistrate. Now the question number 64. Under the CRPC, no court shall take cognizance of an offence punishable with fine only after the expiry of a period of, options are A. 6 months, B. 12 months, C. 36 months, and D. No limitation. So the correct answer is A. 6 months. Now the question number 65. Who cannot tender pardon to an accomplice under section 306 of the Code of Criminal Procedure? Your options are A. Chief Judicial Magistrate, B. Metropolitan Magistrate, C. The Judicial Magistrate First Class inquiring into or trying the offence, and D. Executive Magistrate. The correct answer is D. Executive Magistrate. Question number 66. When can a trial court release an accused on bail under section 389(3) CRPC after conviction? Your options are A. Where accused is on bail and imprisonment is not exceeding 3 years. B. Where accused is on bail and imprisonment is not exceeding 5 years. C. Where accused is on bail and imprisonment is not exceeding 7 years. D. Where offence is exclusively bailable, whether accused is on bail or not. The correct answer is A. Where accused is on bail and imprisonment is not exceeding 3 years. Now let's see next question, question number 67. Under the CRPC, summon case means a case relating to an offence. Your options are A. Imprisonment for a term exceeding 2 years, B. Punishment with death, C. Imprisonment for life, and D. Imprisonment which may extend to 2 years. So the correct answer of this question is D. Imprisonment which may extend to 2 years. Now the question number 68. An application filed under section 257 of CRPC is allowed so the accused will be A. Released, B. Discharged, C. Convicted, and D. Acquitted. The correct answer is D. Acquitted. 69. On completion of investigation, the officer in charge of a police station shall forward the police report under section 173 to CRPC to A. Session Court, B. Chief Judicial Magistrate, C. Any judicial magistrate, and D. Magistrate empowered to take cognizance of the offense. So friends, right answer is the D. Magistrate empowered to take cognizance of offense. Now the question number 70. Under section 125 of CRPC, magistrate of the first class can order a person to make a monthly allowance for maintenance of his married daughter who has attained majority, B. brother, C. sister, or D. father. So right answer is the D. father. Question number 71. Under CRPC, what is effect of trial conducted in wrong place? Option A, vitiate itself. B, vitiate if caused failure of justice. C, seriousness has to be seen. And D, is to be referred to session judge. The correct answer is B, vitiate if caused failure of justice. Now the question number 72. Under the CRPC, whether an accused may be competent witness in his own defense. Your options are A. On his own request in writing, B. On mere oral request, C. With the leave of the court of session, and D. With the leave of CJM only. The correct answer is A. On his own request in writing. Now the question from Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Question number 73 is, in order to rebut the presumption under section 118 of NI Act, accused A must prove the absence of consideration by direct evidence, B must prove absence of consideration beyond reasonable doubt, C must give some evidence in defense, D may rebut the presumption on the principles of preponderance of probability. The correct answer is D. May rebut the presumption on the principle of the preponderance of probability. Now, question number 74. Under Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, an instrument in writing containing an unconditional undertaking signed by the maker to pay a certain sum of money only to or to the order of certain person or to the bearer of the instrument is a. Options are A. Promissory note, B. Bill of exchange, C. Currency note, and D. Truncated check. The correct answer is A. Promissory note. Now the question number 75. Under section 143 of NI Act, the trial shall be made to conclude after filing of complaint within dash period. Your options are A. 2 months, B. 4 months, C. 6 months, and D. 8 months. Your correct answer is C. 6 months. Now the friends, questions are coming from general knowledge section. Let's see the question number 76. My Own Boswell is the autobiography of A. Justice M. Hidayatullah, B. Justice Fatima Bibi, C. Justice J.S. Burma, and D. Justice A. M. Ahmadi. The correct answer is A. Justice M. Hidayatullah. Now the question number 77. Who was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize? Your options are A. C.V. Raman, B. Hargobind Khurana, C. Mother Teresa, and D. Rabindranath Tagore. The right answer is the Rabindranath Tagore. Now the question number 78. In first battle of Panipat, Babur defeated which Lodi ruler to establish Mughal dynasty in India? Your options are A. Ibrahim Lodi, B. Bahlol Lodi, C. Daulat Lodi, and D. Sikandar Lodi. So friend, the correct answer of this is the Ibrahim Lodi. Now the question number 79. Which movement was launched along with the Khilafat movement? Your options are A. Swadeshi movement, B. Home Rule movement, number C. Civil disobedience movement, and D. Non-cooperation movement. So correct answer is the non-cooperation movement. Question 80. Who is the first Prime Minister of India to address the British Parliament? Your options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Dr. Manmohan Singh, and D. Narendra Modi. So friends, right answer is the Shri Narendra Modi. Now next question number 81. Microsoft has selected which city for its pilot project in Digital India initiative? Your options are A. Allahabad, B. Kolkata, C. Bengaluru, and D. Varanasi. The correct answer is D. Varanasi. Now the question number 82. Who is also known as the Chanakya? Raj Shekhara, B. Vishnugupta, C. Vishak Dutt, and D. Bhattaswamin. The correct answer of this question is B. Vishnugupta. Friends, it is not necessary to listen all those questions from the general knowledge section because all these questions are now outdated. They will not ask these questions again. So if you don't listen it, don't worry. It is very enough to listen only the question up to 75 number because of they are related to law section. Now the question number 83. Who among the following is starting the project Loom in India? Your options are Microsoft, B. Amazon, C. Google, D. Facebook. The correct answer is the C. Google. Now 84. National Legal Literacy Day is celebrated on A. 7th November, B. 9th November, C. 14th November, and D. 16th November. The correct answer is B. 9th November. Question number 85. How many states are in India? It's well known that there are 29 states in India. The Tapti River is originated from. Options are Kakrabadi, Multai, Amarkantak, and Kaimur Pahadi. The correct answer is the Multai of Betul. Who built the Sanchi Stoop? Your options are Chandragupta, B. Kautil, C. Gautam Buddha, and D. Ashok. The correct answer is the Ashoka. Ashoka built the Gautam Buddha Sanchi Stoop. The question number 88. Where is the Samadhi of Maharani Lakshmibai situated? So we all know that options are well Sipuri, Mandu, Jabalpur, and Gwalior. The correct answer is the Gwalior. Now 89. Which site is not included in the World Heritage Site? Your options are Temple of Khajuraho, B. Sanchi Stoop, C. Bhim Betika, and D. Marble Rock, Jodhpur. The right answer is the Marble Rock, Jodhpur. Question number 90. In which district of MP were the place of Chandrasekhar Azad is situated? Your options are A. Alirajpur, B. Jhabua, C. Dhar, and D. Badwani. The right answer is the Alirajpur. Now the questions are coming from the computer. You can go through with them because of their important. They could be repeated. Question number 91. Portrait and landscape are A. Page layout, B. Page orientation, C. Page edit, and D. Page size. The correct answer is the page orientation. Question number 92. Binary language consists of 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, and 10-digit. The correct answer is the 2-digit A. Now the question number 93. Which one of the following is not an operating system? Your options are Ubuntu, B. Windows, C. Linux, and D. Word processor. So friends, word processor is not operating system. It is an application software. Now the question number 94. Full form of URL is. Your options are A. Uniform Resource Locator, B. Uniform Resource Link, C. Uniform Registered Link, and D. Unified Resource Link. So correct answer of this question is A. Uniform Resource Locator. Question number 95. Which one work as an output and input device? Your options are modem, scanner, mouse, and monitor. So friend, correct answer is the modem. Now the question from the English section. Let's see. What are the question? Question number 96. A person who has committed such an dash crime must get the most severe punishment. Your options are unworthy, B. injurious, B. C. uncharitable, and D. abominable. The right answer of this question is D. abominable. This one. Now the question number 97. Select the word which is most nearly the same in meaning as the word defiance. Your options are A. insult, B. denial, C. degradation, and D. resistance. So correct answer is the D. resistance. Question 98. Select the word which is most nearly opposite in meaning of the word forbid. So your options are A. forgive, B. allow, C. refuse, and D. deprive. The correct answer is B. allow. Question number 99. I didn't dash TV last night. Options are not watched, B. watch, C. watching, and D. watched. The correct answer is the B. watch, because of this is the tense of past simple. Now the question number 100. I think I have got a cold. I can't stop. Options: sneeze, the sneezing, to sneeze, and sneezing. The correct answer is the sneezing. This is the gerund. So friend, these were our 100 question of 2015's last year question paper. Go through all the questions, you listen them 1 or 2 or 3 times. It will be very helpful for you for the coming Madhya Pradesh Civil Judge Class 2 examinations. Friends, we will make some more videos of the last year question papers, and if you want anything more, please let us know by the comment. Please leave your comment. And at last, thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.